This is the second issue I have with my MacBook Pro 2016. I have already made a video for the first one where the screen fails to resume from sleep and I get frequent freezes. This one is a bit bizarre. I cannot connect to the wireless network if I boot with some device attached. I have a SanDisk USB key and also an external Toshiba hard drive. It turned out that this hard drive is irrelevant to the problem actually. So they are plugged to the MacBook Pro and I simply power it up. Entering my username and password. It asks me to enter my password for the Toshiba hard drive, but it's actually irrelevant to the test. Only the SanDisk USB key is a problem and I don't have a password on it. The point is, if I try to turn on the wireless when the SanDisk USB key is connected, it won't connect. I will let it run so that you can see the issue, and I only see 3 networks, and actually there are many more accessible in reach. These are only the ones with a strong signal. The Scully network is mine, and as you can see it's not connected. So what I do is I try to put some power in the circuit, see if it makes any difference. Again, I let it run so that you can really see what's going on. Same symptom, only a few networks visible. There are many more actually. It should be able to connect to Scully. It's an access point just behind me. And it fails. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eject the USB key. You'll see I have more networks and it can connect immediately to Cabo in this case, or I can switch to Scully for instance. And there, I'm connected. I've made another test. This time I have connected an external SSD. It's a Samsung T3. I use a Satechi adapter. The Toshiba or the SanDisk USB key are not connected. And it won't be able to connect to the wireless network. This is insane. This problem seemed familiar to me and I remembered a video called "The MacBook Pro Can't Chew Gum and Walk at the Same Time" by Rossmann. I'll leave the link to his video on YouTube, and in his case it's even worse because he cannot connect to the internet at all when he plugs in a device on an already started MacBook Pro.
Watch this. So now I'm going to try to do a Google search. I'm going to try to go to /.org while the USB-C dongle is plugged in. I typed in /.org and I hit enter. And as you can see, when a USB 3 or USB-C device is like this Magewell dongle is plugged in, it stops working. It doesn't.
So this is my problem number 2 with my MacBook Pro. The number 1 is much more annoying as I get into frequent freezes. It can be once per day, sometimes several times on the same day. And for those reasons, I've brought it to repair. Hopefully it will be fixed. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'll keep you posted.